Hey guys, me Sask3, and I'm here for this week's kitten vlog. So, after yesterday's long upload of Signature Island, let's have another long upload. Okay, now before I show you the kittens, because they're not in this room, I'm going to answer the weekly questions. And this week we actually have 3, so that's good. If you couldn't keep Lady, would you keep a kitten, and if so, which one? Guys, you stop trying to make me pick favorites, because Honey is the sweetest. But then there's Tryja, she's like the most isolated and so cute. And then there's Selena, she's always coming and finding me. And Lalani is just, stop it! But really, we cannot keep a kitten. Okay, how are you going to advertise them? Well, my mom was actually thinking of listing them on Craigslist. Lastly is, what is their favorite place to hide? They like to sleep under my dad's dresser, but other than that, pretty much what they like to do is they like to get into the closet. Okay, and now enough of the questions, let's go see the babies! They were all perfectly nursing, then Lady got up. Oh, hi! Hi! Look at how big they're getting, look at them. Look at my webcam signature, look, they're almost as tall as her. Almost as tall as Coco. Hi, Honey. Oh, Honey is the sweetest. Oh, you took a call from my lap? Back my lap? Tryja, you're coming too? You coming too? This is what happens when I sit down in here. When they're not in play mode. Hi. Okay, so I think it's probably about time that I go through each individual kitten and show you what's been going on with them. So, you guys aren't gonna let me up, are you? Alright, did you just lick my pants? These kittens have this thing, they like to lick my pants. They're still obsessed with my pants. Okay. Anyways, time to show you the kittens one by one. Guess I'll start with Windsor. Hi. Hi, Windsor. But your sisters are trying to crowd the view. She's still the crier, by the way. And I don't think she's as cross-eyed as she used to be. And of course we have Tryja, who likes the comics. And Selena, the bruiser, the most playful, and definitely a sweetie. Lalani, who was wrestling with Windsor. Here we have Honey. She's one of the sweetest of the kittens next to Tryja, if not the sweetest. And she's wrestling with Windsor. Windsor just can't seem to get a break. She's always in fights. Tribble, it's your segment. You're gonna have to come out from under the dresser. Your sisters are playing. Why can't you? Tribble, I know you can hear me. Come on out. I finally get Tribble out here and he starts chewing on his leg. Nice. Alright, so it will now be time for the picture segment, and someone passed out on my place, because this is my desk here, and yeah, so you gonna help me edit, little girl? Yeah. Anyways, if you have any questions that I haven't already answered, comment down below, and I'll see if I can answer them in the next kitten vlog. Hi, Cell. You can let go of Coco's tail now. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Later. You're planning something, aren't you? Look at that face. She's totally planning something. Aren't you, Cell?